everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for the Journey. Hope you are doing well. I am Jinin. I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today I'm back with some amazing beauty products that are worth trying, and all of them are rupees under 500. So you can definitely give these a try. I'm super excited to share about those with you all. So let's get right into the video. The first product is none other than Forever 52 Moisturizing Cream. So this is called Moisturizing Cream Makeup Base. This has amazing ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, shea butter and aloe vera extract in it. So all these together work so well on your skin. I was initially skeptical to try it out because it is mentioned that it is suitable for normal to dry skin type, but I have oily and acne prone skin, but the brand say you can definitely give it a try and let us know your honest thoughts. Product was amazing because it just helped to prep my skin. It just moisturized my skin so well. I today use this and you can see how flawless my makeup looks. There's no dryness, no cracks, no cakeiness, nothing. It just looks so well and preps my skin for the next step, which is makeup. It is so beautiful. It has a very lotion texture, so it's great for any skin type. If you have very oily skin, then you can skip it, and if you have oily skin like me and you have some dry patchy areas like on my chin, on the sides of my nose, it has some dry patches, so on that particular area I apply it very well, so the makeup looks so flawless like this. I really love it. Can you see? It just looks like lotion. It's not very thick cream and it blends within seconds seamlessly. It leaves a slight little glow, but it's not too dewy at all, which I really love. Usually creams for dry and normal skin look super dewy on our oily skin, but this one does not do that, and that's why I absolutely love it. Under rupees 500 is a very beautiful moisturizer that you can try, especially under makeup, to look flawless like this. The second product is a makeup remover. This must be like an OG favorite of everyone, and I thought I must definitely recommend you at least once. It is none other than this Garnier Micellar Water. Yes, you might also have been using it in your everyday routine, and this is a very good micellar water. Even with this, if you have even oily acne prone skin or even sensitive skin, this works well. This is very affordable. Even you can purchase a bigger bottle and stock it up because some amazing offers are going on at Amazon right now. So do check this out, and this works so well in removing of your waterproof mascara, waterproof lipstick, whatever it is. Even for everyday use, if you don't use even makeup and you use a water resistant sunscreen or any mineral sunscreen, this helps to remove it thoroughly yet gently without drying your skin out, and that's why I absolutely love it. It's a very good one. I've like emptied many bottles of it which I don't even have a count of it. So this is just so good. Do try it out and thank me later. Now let's move on to the perfect makeup product. So first one is a concealer which I'm absolutely in love with, and that's what I'm wearing it today. It's just so good. I really love how beautiful full coverage it is, and it is now available under rupees 500 at Amazon. So this is Maybelline Spot Rescue Concealer. So this also has salicylic acid in it. So even if you have acne prone skin, it's going to be so suitable for you. Just one dot and it provides the fullest coverage. You don't even need to try a foundation and then go on with a concealer. You can just use this for everyday makeup. Just spot conceal, just set it up with a loose powder and you'll be good to go. It's just so good. So my shade is 70. It slightly has a more yellow undertone than my liking though, but everything else, the performance, the quality, the coverage, the longevity, everything else is amazing. So I can even speak more about it and rate it more than 10. So for now, this is really good. If you're looking for a good everyday concealer and you want to skip foundations for everyday use, do check this out. If you love blushes like me and you are tired of trying out purple and pink blushes, then this you need to try it out, guys. And I'm wearing it today and I'm really in love with it. I tried it out recently. It's from Mars Cosmetics. It's their Blush Heart Twilight Blush. So this is a liquid blush and I have the shade. I'm not sure of the shade name. It's called 2 Twilight, I guess. And it's a beautiful peach color. So you have this precise tip applicator, so you can just dot it on your cheeks, just blend it with your fingers and you'll be good to go. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful peach color that just flatters on our brown dusky skin tone so well. It leaves like a beautiful flush of color. It's not too bright or flashy. It's very subtle, great even for everyday use with that flush of color. I really love. It is not too matte again. It's not too dewy. It's somewhere in between. It leaves a slight glowy look, very slightly, and I really love this formula. So for an affordable product, it works really well, and I absolutely love it. Just watch this. I've already applied it slightly. Just want to show you how it looks. So I'm just blending it with fingers. Can you see? It leaves a beautiful flush of color. It isn't patchy at all, and it's just so good. It's not completely matte like powder matte. It looks skin like, and I really love it. Can you see that difference? It looks so beautiful, right? And this peach coral color is just made for our brown dusky skin tone. Do check this out and thank me later. The next product is an eyeshadow palette, and this has become my recent favorite. And if you watch my videos, you would know I spoke about this particular eyeshadow palette recently, and that's what also I'm wearing it today. It's a beautiful neutral pink toned palette, and it's from Swiss Beauty. So this is their Awaken eyeshadow palette, and I have the variant Blooming Rose. So the only con that I have about this particular product is that it doesn't have a mirror with it. Otherwise, it would have been a very travel friendly palette. So for now, if you use this palette, you will need a separate handy mirror for it. So this is half the color palette of this eyeshadow looks like, and it's a beautiful range of neutrals, slight browns, rosy undertones. It's a beautiful glitter, metallic shimmers. These are just so good. So this is how it looks like. I really love the metallic shimmers. It's slightly subtle. You can build it to give a beautiful shimmery effect, and this glitter is Pakka glitter. It's just so good, super sparkly, and these mattes are damp pigmented. It does not turn patchy. It blends well. For the price we paid, this is completely worth it. So I use this beautiful baby pink kind of a metallic shimmer shade on my eyelids today. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Can you look at that one swipe pigmentation? It looks so beautiful, right? So this is how it is, and this is how it looks like on my eyelids. It's just so good, very beginner friendly. So even if you are a beginner, this palette is like a must have in your routine if you love neutrals, browns, and rosy undertones. The last product is a very affordable product, but it works so well, and it is from Inside Cosmetics. It's their liquid eyeliner. This cute little eyeliner, I was really skipping. It's just around rupees 90 or 100, and it works so well like a good 200-300 rupees eyeliner. It's just amazing. It is pitch black pigmented. The applicator, the brush looks so good. It's very flexible, has the right length and thickness. So this is how it looks like. This is just one swipe pigmentation. Can you look at that? So once it's set, it's completely transfer proof, smudge proof, and it stays all day long on your eyelids. And can you see how beautiful pitch black it is on my eyelid? It looks so good. This is really good. So if you are a beginner and you don't want to spend much on makeup, but you love to wear an eyeliner for every day, then definitely get this and thank me later. This is just so good. Yeah. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page, Style Photogeny. And also, if you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that will be notified when I upload new videos. I will leave all the product details along with the names in the description box below. And there's an amazing sale going on at Amazon. It's for a limited period of time. There are a variety of beauty and fashion products. Up to 70% off is there. So do check this out. Yeah, until next time. Bye-bye.